Okay, so the question is like this, and it's actually very similar to a question that's come up before. It's kind of just giving you this idea about geometry, okay? So geometry is, so to number theory, or maybe the other way around. So in number theory, so number crunching and like multiplying numbers and stuff together, to number theory is sort of drawing and experimenting with diagrams to geometry. Okay, so you have A, B, C, what is it? And then there's a D such that these are equal, right? And then these are equal. Okay, and then you're told that all the angles are integers. Wait, does it tell you all the angles are integers or all the angles?
Angles in A.
Okay. Okay, so all the angles in these two isosceles triangles are integers, which implies all the angles are integers. Okay. And the question asks you, what's the difference between the biggest and smallest possible values of this angle here? No? So it's kind of a special question, right? So I think if you just kind of draw the diagram, you'll probably get it eventually, but it does help to realize that the angle has to be obtuse, right? Because these two angles those have to be acute for them to be in a triangle. So, okay, and you can also realize if it's 180 minus two integers, it has to be minus an even angle. So you would only try even angles, okay? But the main thing is still just to be able to draw the diagram. So you can always draw an isosceles triangle, okay? And you can draw an isosceles triangle with any angle here you want that's acute, right? This could be anything. And then all you'd have to do is extend this side until this length is equal to this length, right? And then as long as this is an even angle, then this will close up to make a triangle with integer angles. Okay, so from that you quickly realize that 92 and 178 are valid angles, right? And so the difference would have to be whatever the difference is, 86. Okay. Yeah, so I think even if you don't understand a lot of this is a good lesson in geometry because at some point you learn that angles in a triangle are up to 180 degrees. You learn what the definition of isosceles means. Okay, and then you suddenly wonder why they didn't teach you any more geometry. Okay, and then even in AIMO these days, they don't even assume any more geometry than this because they're almost too understanding of your handicap. All right.
My opinion, question 2 is harder than question 3.
I think question 2 is definitely
harder because it like makes people not understand the question.
Yeah, it's a strange question, right?
Like
It's come up before as an AIMO question 7, like a similar idea. But I mean, it's just a strange question, right? Especially for like if you're in your primary school.